Well, the good news for us here in H-Town is that so far we've escaped that huge flooding and tornado risk, but I think our luck may run out in just a few days. We do have an increased threat for severe storms on Saturday, so stay alert. That will be a Fox 26 storm alert day. The last few days has really been about the warmth and the wind. We are kind of cloudy out there, temps in the 80s, dew points in the 70s, so warm and muggy air, but sustained wind out of the south-southeast close to 20 miles per hour. When you factor in those gusts, we're talking about wind near 30 miles per hour. So the wind advisory, even though it may be gone for now, will be right back starting tomorrow morning. The National Weather Service once again has reissued this wind advisory. This time around, it's going to be in place from 7 a.m. Friday until 7 p.m. for the eastern 2/3 of the area. So that does include Houston, Sugar Land, the Woodlands, Baytown, all the way down to Galveston. Gusts of 30 to 40 miles per hour. Here is this massive storm system. You can see all of those tornado icons on this map where we've had numerous tornado reports across several states over the last few days, and it has been kind of stalled out to our northwest. That's why we've been missing out on the majority of the action. However, it will start to take a dip to the south, especially by this weekend. But here's the good news. If you're in the Woodlands this evening, you're going for a jog, you're going to grab a bite to eat, it should be fairly quiet. There's a low chance for a stray shower, and yes, it's going to be toasty, temps in the 80s, but you don't have to worry about any severe weather, at least for this evening and tonight. Notice our Fox model futurecast showing any storm threat tonight, mainly staying off to our north and west, up between Waco, Crockett, maybe getting close to Huntsville, but overall the threat is very low for tonight. Even for tomorrow evening, I'll stop the clock here around 7 p.m. Storm threat still very low for our area, but up towards Waco, maybe getting close to College Station and Bryan, there could be an isolated storm. Things change though on Saturday. Notice late Saturday morning, 11 a.m. A few storms are firing up near Huntsville, but a big line of potential strong to severe storms starting to erupt by early Saturday afternoon. So if you had park plans, beach plans around 2 p.m., you may have to delay those because we're talking about heavy rain, large hail, strong, possibly damaging wind that could cause some power outages and maybe a few tornadoes. Even through Saturday evening, Saturday night, those storms will continue, but I think the threat will start to decrease. As far as our severe threat for Saturday, we are now in a 2 out of 5 risk for much of the area, and that 3 out of 5 risk does clip parts of Polk County. So we are certainly monitoring an elevated severe risk for Saturday, and this is just the first half of the story. Notice what happens behind the front. Those temperatures take a huge dip, highs in the middle 60s for Sunday and lows in the upper 40s to near 50 as you step out the door Monday morning. So prepare for the storms, then get ready for the chill.